In this module, we'll be learning about time series data capture and analysis. While customers have been using SingleStore for time series related use cases for quite some time, we've added more special purpose features, making it even easier to manage time series data. So, what is time series data? Let's consider a few different applications. First, an autonomous trading algorithm that monitors how stock prices are continuously changing. Perhaps readings and status updates that are regularly monitoring the energy output of wind turbines. Maybe monitoring system metrics from a server to observe the performance of your CPU or some tool you may be running. And lastly, IoT devices like your vehicle or home appliances that transmit data continually. In each of these applications, we are relying on a form of data that measures how things change over time. More specifically, time is not merely a metric or a timestamp column in our table. Time is a primary axis by which our data derives meaning. This is time series data. We've made time series data capture and analysis even easier by providing a few different functions. A series timestamp column designation, the first, last, and time bucket functions. In the following labs and video lessons, we'll be covering these functions in greater detail.